Welcome to this IMGROUP Online webinar, Delivering Excellence in Business Communication and Collaboration with Microsoft Office 365. This webinar consists of PowerPoint slides and product demonstrations. We will be making these available to attendees after the webinar is finished. Thank you. Let's begin with a quick introduction to IMGROUP Online. Here's our mission statement. We are passionate about the cloud, but we take a pragmatic approach to it. We believe cloud computing offers a complementary and connected extension to existing investments in IT. We work with our customers to help them take advantage of this, delivering what we call the best of both worlds. We provide services to help you plan, prepare and migrate to the cloud. We provide ongoing support and we offer complementary applications and services to help you get the best overall experience and value from your online investments. IMGROUP Online is part of IMGROUP Limited, an established systems integrator with skills across a range of Microsoft technologies and a proven track record of delivering solutions on time and on budget across a range of industries and applications. We are a Microsoft Cloud partner with more than 3 years' experience developing and deploying solutions spanning private, public and hybrid cloud platforms. Here is a sample of our customers we serve. For more information on our broader capabilities and case studies, please visit imgroup.com. Our objectives for this webinar are to share our experience helping organisations improve their communication and collaboration with Office 365, look at barriers to the cloud holding back adoption and how these can be overcome, introduce and demonstrate Office 365 to you, focusing on the workloads and business requirements that typically drive adoption, share our case studies highlighting the capabilities of Office 365 and the value-added services we offer to get you there and support you once live. Touch on the business case for Office 365 and ROI, and lastly, explain what you can do next to find out more and get started. We believe Microsoft Office 365 represents the ideal platform to deliver excellence in communication and collaboration. This is founded on both the technical capabilities of Office 365 and compelling commercials where savings of 50% compared to traditional approaches can be found. Here's an illustration of what we mean. You can glance at your contacts or inbox to see immediately whether a colleague is available, choose from a wide variety of desktop, mobile or tablet devices for work, your contacts stay in sync, and mobile versions of productivity apps keep information at hand. Quickly and easily connect using your choice of tools: phone, email, instant messaging, video, audio or web conferencing. Share documents and insights securely, work with other authors on the same document at the same time, or instantly share slideshows or documents with your peers across town or around the world. One of the key workloads driving adoption is email. Email in the cloud for Microsoft Exchange Online is quick to deploy, includes comprehensive antivirus and anti-spam protection, and provides a familiar Outlook experience, including rich features like presence over the internet. Included with Office 365, Exchange Online is also available as a standalone service. Office 365 helps you meet the challenges of the current economic environment, focusing investment on what you do, not what you need. With Office 365, you can deliver more value to your users without the usual capital investment. Taking a couple of common goals as examples, you can replace aging systems. With Office 365, you are running always current productivity solutions. No worries about server patching, updating or upgrading. Office 365 takes care of it, freeing IT staff for more important tasks. Support telework and help reduce travel expenses. Office 365 makes it easy for people to work together regardless of their location. With audio and video conferencing, plus screen sharing and virtual whiteboard just a few clicks away, accessible via the internet, it's almost like you're all in the same room, even when you aren't. Whilst the business case for moving to the cloud is often clear and compelling, for some organisations the implications of doing so remain unclear. Here are some of the questions that typically arise. We will address many of these questions during this webinar. We will also provide links to online Q&A resources that answer many of the questions most organisations have about whether the cloud is right for them. This is where our online services team begins, working with you to answer your questions and helping you plan for Office 365. Let's move on and take a look at what Office 365 includes. With Office 365, you pay for the services you actually use as predictable operational expense instead of a major capital outlay. Your IT staff is freed from routine maintenance. Microsoft handles that for you, so they can tackle more interesting challenges. Your workers get more done with productivity, communication and collaboration tools that work virtually anywhere on almost any device. Microsoft Office 365 includes Microsoft Office Professional Plus, the world's leading productivity tool now seamlessly connected and delivered with cloud services for the best productivity experience across the PC, phone and browser. Exchange Online, cloud-based email, calendar and contacts with always up-to-the-date protection from viruses and spam. SharePoint Online, cloud-based service for creating sites to connect colleagues, partners and customers. Link Online, cloud-based instant messaging, presence and online meeting experience with PC audio, video conferencing and screen sharing. Link Online, cloud-based instant messaging, presence and online meeting experiences with PC audio, video conferencing and screen sharing. So let's move on and see a demonstration of the communication and collaboration capabilities described. With SharePoint, you can create your websites literally in minutes. With just a click of a button, you can choose the type of site you want to create, either a public website for people outside your company or a private website for internal use. In this scenario, we have Arthur contacting Christos regarding the creation of a SharePoint site. Notice that he is contacting him through Link. For this demo, we will be creating a new private site collection for the CRM department of the company. You do this by going to the admin console on the Office 365 environment and selecting Manage Site Collections. To create a new site is as simple as clicking your site collections on the left-hand side and then selecting New Private Site Collections or Public Website. You will soon see that with a few clicks your website will be ready. All you need to do is provide some basic information such as the name of the primary administrator, the storage size and the resources of the site. You can choose among various templates to create your site and even create your own custom template that matches the layout of your business. Let's specify the name of your primary administrator, the storage size and the resources of the site. You can always come back to this menu and add more storage space if you need to upload more documents. Let's open the site and see how it looks. To edit a site, simply click Site Actions and select Edit Page. If you use Office 2007 or 2010, you will notice that the familiar ribbon will appear on the top with all the tools you need to customize your site. Let's add a web part so that the CRM team can share documents on the site. A web part is a reusable component that can be used on many different pages and different sites. SharePoint offers a big collection of web parts that can be simply added to your site without any special IT skills. Let's search for the document web part and add it to the site. As you can see, this is very easy to do. Now we can start uploading shared documents for other team members to see. Let's give Arthur the address to the site. We could have emailed the URL, but we'll send it through Link as we can see Arthur is available. All Arthur needs to do is click on the link and add it to his favourites. Granting permissions to a new user is as simple as clicking Site Action, Share Site, and providing the name of the person that you want to give access to. As you can see, Arthur has just uploaded a few documents in the Shared Documents library. Now let's make Arthur the owner of the site so he can manage his team's site without the need for IT or operations. You can give different types of access to a user and even give access to people outside your organisation. As we have seen before, Link is integrated natively with SharePoint. Link integration enables you to collaborate with any colleague straight from the site. Click on the presence bubble next to the name of the user and send an email, send an instant message, or even initiate a call. As you can see, Arthur is available and we can initiate a Link conversation directly. Microsoft Link Online is a next-generation cloud communications service connecting staff and colleagues anytime, anywhere, on almost any device over the web. Link Online provides intuitive communications capabilities including online presence detection, instant messaging, and high-quality audio and video call. Microsoft Link Online transforms your interactions with staff and colleagues from what's often a hit-and-miss communication to a more productive collaboration, engaging and effective experience through online meetings, PC audio, video and web conferencing. In this scenario, Christos emails Orestes requesting access on a SharePoint website. You can see here that Link Online integrates seamlessly with Outlook. Here Orestes can see that Christos is online and contactable, and he can initiate an instant messaging with 2 clicks. Within a few clicks, Orestes provides the necessary permissions to Christos on the SharePoint site. This illustrates that by using Link Online Instant Communications, you can save time. Your staff can get their work done more efficiently, especially when they are involved in critical projects. With Link Online, you can organise your online meetings straight from Outlook. Click New Item, select Online Meeting to set up a meeting. Specify the attendees of the meeting, your availability and the place and time of the meeting. Once it's set up, you can just click Send. An Outlook reminder window will pop up on your screen and your colleagues' screens, providing you a link for the online meeting. Note that your presence information on Link will be automatically updated. Link Online picks the presence information you specified in the online meeting from your Outlook calendar and populates it so all your colleagues know your availability at any time. In this example, Orestes is sharing a whiteboard with his colleagues in order to draw a brain map of the new site they need to create. The presenter of the meeting can control which participants will be able to contribute to the whiteboard. Here, all participants of the meeting can contribute on the whiteboard simultaneously. You can insert text, icons, draw shapes, and even share screenshots to aid the communication. With Link Online, you can easily share your screen with a colleague and even with people outside your company that have Link on their machines. In this example, Arthur experiences some issues with his web browser and needs help from the IT team to resolve this. Sharing your screen is as simple as clicking Share and select the monitor you want to share with a colleague. With one extra click, you can give control to the viewer initiating a remote control session, and in this way your IT team can easily help other users to troubleshoot issues almost from anywhere. Link Online provides an instant translation of your conversations for participants from other countries. The Translator add-on integrates seamlessly with Link and enables you to conduct conversations in your preferred language with your colleagues or customers, directly translating your conversations for participants in real time. In this example, Christos is messaging Arthur. Link automatically translates the conversations using Bing Translator from English to Greek. Note that Arthur is using his Hotmail account from MSN Messenger, and Link translates all the conversations in English for Christos to read. Office 365 is available in a variety of product combinations and individual product subscriptions. Email Online is available as a standalone product from £2.82 per user per month. The small business, mid-sized business and enterprise combinations, labelled P1, E1, E3, offer discounted subscriptions to combinations of Microsoft productivity, collaboration and communication tools. Office 365 subscriptions can be purchased through the web at office365.com or via existing volume license agreements if you have them. Existing rights to Microsoft licenses will typically offer a license transfer option to Office 365. Cost to your organisation may therefore be less than those listed in this slide. You have seen the product in action, now let's hear about the experience of organisations that are already using Office 365. Yo Sushi is a leading restaurant chain with more than 70 restaurants across the UK. Yo Sushi relies on its retail outlet, EPOS system, supply chain and line of business systems to operate smoothly. The company's IT strategy is to make these systems highly available and highly durable, maximising the benefits of cloud computing and reducing to a minimum support for servers on-premise. IMGROUP worked with Yo Sushi to migrate their staff from legacy on-premise Exchange email to Office 365. The process was completed in a few weeks with a seamless transition and rollout to all employees. In terms of benefits, Yo Sushi found they could eliminate capital outlay on new servers, gain additional benefit from the Link and SharePoint Online tools included in their Office 365 subscription, budget more accurately with regular, transparent billing, avoid future costs associated with upgrades, reduce management time running email systems, and save 40% compared with the continuation of the on-premise approach. Moving on, let's have a look at the work we did helping West Midlands Ambulance Service migrate to Office 365. West Midlands Ambulance Service is an organisation that came into being following the consolidation of 3 previously separate service providers. Email platforms needed to be consolidated to provide a single, effective means of communication. Office 365 was selected because this offered the single email platform required, and it represented the opportunity to lower licensing cost, reduce administration, increase value from IT, and improve productivity. This quote from the head of IM&T at West Midlands Ambulance Service sums up the success of the project and the value of the hybrid approach we took. In terms of savings and benefits, Office 365 has dramatically improved email services with a 99.9% uptime SLA, provided next-generation presence and collaboration for the organisation, increased financial visibility down to department and individual levels, delivered significant revenue savings from antivirus and anti-spam add-ons, server, data storage and network requirements to service email storage, hardware refresh which would otherwise be required. This timeline illustrates the adoption process for West Midlands Ambulance Service. A trial was instigated in Q1 of 2012. This was successful, leading to a full planning, preparation and migration project delivered by IMGROUP Online. More than 4,200 users were migrated to the cloud in a few months. Let's wrap up now with a reminder of what you've seen today and some guidance on what to do next. We've shown you Office 365 demonstrating the best-in-class productivity, communication and collaboration experience available from Microsoft. In summary, Office 365 gives you the best overall productivity experience, access anywhere to the files and applications you need, a familiar set of tools, secure and durable availability and the means to keep you in control. In terms of how these features translate through to benefits, it's about two things: reducing cost and increasing productivity. Research conducted by Forrester suggests this equates to approximately £500 per user per year. The best way to decide whether Office 365 is right for you is to try it yourself. Visit our website at www.imgrouponline.com and click the free trial button. We will provide a free half-day workshop to help you scope and plan for the cloud, subject to terms and conditions. Our team will answer your questions and help determine how to deliver the benefits of Office 365 to your organisation. To find out more, please follow the links on this slide to see our SharePoint Online and Link Online videos. You can read more about the Yo Sushi and West Midlands Ambulance Service projects and hear these customers talk about their experience under the evidence links. We have a dedicated website with a range of information on all Microsoft Online service products. Please visit imgrouponline.com for more. Lastly, we are available on most social media platforms including Twitter and LinkedIn. Please follow us to keep up to date with customer news, new products and service announcements. We hope you have found this event useful, and we will be in contact with you to get your feedback and to see if we can be of service. Thank you for your time.